Let's continue learning Hilchos Teshuvah, Shir number 20. The Rambam in Perik Daled Halacha Beis continues the 24 aveiros that disturb from making Teshuvah. If we do Teshuvah, we accept it, but there is this second group of mitzvahs that block us from doing Teshuvah. This group is things that when we do this aveiros, we put ourselves in a situation that's going to disturb us from making Teshuvah. Let's see this 5 aveiros and what's it? Mehem chamisha dvarim noyalin darchei teshuva bifnei oiseihem. These 5 things lock the door and the ways of Teshuvah from someone that does the aveiros. Ve'elu hein, the first of this group, this 5, hapoiresh min hatzibur, someone that doesn't feel himself and is not a part of the congregation, of the kehillah of Klal Yisrael, is not part of the community, and that's why what's the problem with not to be part of the community? Lefisha bezman sheyasu teshuva lo yihye imahen. If there was a time that there was a aveiros and everyone gets together and accepts takones and becomes better, and he's not there, he's not a part of them. One of the bases, one of the amudim, the pillows that we could rely on, is to be a part of a community, a part of a kehillah. And then the kehillah goes up, and we go up together with the kehillah. The minute we divide ourselves from the kehillah, we go in our own way, and we're not a part of a community, we're not a part of a shul, of something that holds us together. We're not going to be there when everyone is going to have these aveiros. We'll stay outside. And that's why if someone leaves the tzibur and goes in his own way, if you're part of a tzibur, the tzibur has a very strong power. It's a dynamics that pushes forward very much, and we need to use that dynamics and to be a part of a good kehillah, of a good community from Erlach Yidin like it's supposed to be, and that's going to help us. And you use it. The minute we don't use this power, this kli that HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave us, so we lose it. And it's noyalin. It's like closing the door and locking it, that we're not going to come to Teshuvah. The second of it, from this group, is ve'hachoylek al divrei chachamim, someone that fights and argues and disagrees with the learnings, the Torah that the Chachamim teach us. That is Choylek and Chachamim disagrees with them. He doesn't go to learn by the Rabbanim. He doesn't believe in them. At the minute he doesn't listen to the Rabbanim, so he doesn't know what to do. And like we see over here, this aveira is disturbs and it locks the door that he can do Teshuvah. The Rabbeinu Yoina teaches us in Shar HaSheni from Shari Teshuvah that if someone is mekabel on himself, he accepts on himself that from now on he will listen to Musar HaChachamim VeHaMeichichim. He will go and listen to the drasha. He will go and listen to the shiurim and the lessons and the teachings of the tzaddikim of the Chachamim. Berega echad, in 1 minute, yatsa. He went out from the darkness to a great, amazing light, the light of Teshuvah. He didn't do yet nothing. Over here now, he didn't do a mitzvah, but accepting and being ready to listen, ready to learn, is going to bring him to a place that is going to be close to Teshuvah. And says the Rambam, another one, someone that makes fun of mitzvahs. He has no respect to the mitzvahs. He doesn't run after them. He doesn't follow the mitzvahs. He's not searching after mitzvahs to do mitzvahs. And he doesn't do the mitzvahs. If you don't do mitzvahs, how could you be clean? How could you be zoiche? How could you be mezukach? How could you go up? He's not interested in doing mitzvahs. He makes fun from every mitzvah. He has a joke on everything. Everything is making fun by him. Leitzanas. And he says another one, V'hamevazer Rabboisov, someone that learned by his Rabbi, and now he's mevazer his Rabbi. Shedavar ze goyrem lo ledochfo ledor degerechazi. Over here is a problem, because his Rabbi is going to push him away. If someone makes fun of his Rabbi, he goes against his Rabbi, what happens? He has no Rabbi. Because his Rebbe now doesn't want to help him. And his Rebbe could be, he needs to do it. Ubizman Shanitrad, when he's pushed away from his Rebbe, like Keichazi was pushed away by Elisha Hanavi, so he's not going to know what to do. And if someone doesn't know what to do, because he was fighting against his Rebbe, because he was a rebellion against the Rebbe, he doesn't know now what to do. He doesn't know what to do, so he gets mixed up, and that's also locking the door that he can't do tshuva. And the fifth of this group is someone that always when he hears musar, teichache, something, he doesn't want to hear. He doesn't leave a way of tshuva for himself. Why? Because teichache, if someone hears and something that he did, that it's not good, he is musar, this critical point of view, and he's ready to accept that he was wrong, and there was a way to say it to him. If he did a mistake, there was a way out. But if someone soines at teichachos, there's no way to tell him that he's wrong. Okay, if you'll tell him that he's wrong, he will blow up. Such a kind of a person lock the door from doing tshuva, because there's no way that he will understand. Someone would show him that he's wrong. And that the Rambam brings a group of psukim that the Nevi'im and the Torah tells us that if you need to be ready to listen to Musar, to listen to Teichacha, someone told you something, it doesn't need to be that he's right, but listen to what he said. Think about it. Could be he's right. Could be there was some point in what he said. Maybe some little point, but listen to it and try to understand. Maybe there was something. And to listen to Musar, and then Yatza me'afeila le'ergodei. This is this group. 5 things that if we take out ourselves from listening to Musar, from learning from people that know more than us, that could teach us, we learn the divrei hachachamim, the Torah, that brings us to tshuva. HaKadosh Baruch Hu would help us.